Introducing Springvale's Beamshield Topsheet Plus insulated floor system for suspended ground floors. Our T-beam partners produce a layout design to accommodate the span and loadings required by the floor. The DPC and vents are placed as required, with the T-beams positioned according to the design. The minimum required void needs to be maintained below the underside of the Beamshield Plus units. The packs of Beamshield Plus units are clearly labelled for easy identification on site. Installation begins with the Beamshield Plus starter units being placed along the first row and positioned flat against the wall. Subsequent rows are filled with Beamshield Plus units between the beams, completing each row across the bay. The beam is moved closer after the units are installed to close any gaps. Panels may need to be cut to length to complete a row. This is easily done by hand with a saw. The location of any service pipe is measured. The corresponding penetration is cut by hand with either a saw or a suitable coring tool. The final row is completed using Beamshield Plus end units cut to the required width. Subsequent bays are completed following the layout design, ensuring the rows are installed with either single, double or triple Beamshield Plus units to match the number of beams and the correct width unit as in the design. Once the Beamshield Plus units have been installed, the concrete closure blocks and a further row of concrete blocks are fixed before the perimeter insulation and Beamshield top sheets are placed over the floor. Any required membrane can be placed on top of the Beamshield floor, ready to receive one of the concrete toppings as specified and defined in our Beamshield Topsheet Agreement certificate.